Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M5S, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before you get started, you will need to grab one of these, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. And once you have it, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, as you can see right where the pin is holding. Push the pin in and the tray pops out. Once you take it out, you have space for SIM card and SD card. Now you can use the SD tray also as a second SIM tray if you want to, so you just place it like this. But because I'm using one of each, I'm gonna move it over. There we go. And occupy this with the SD card. Like so. From there, carefully insert it back into the device. There is nothing holding those cards in place, so they could fall out. There we go. And the cards should start working immediately, which as you can see they are. It's prompting me to insert a SIM pin. And SD card was working as well, right here. And that is how you insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.